Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So ever since the last video I posted, a lot of you have been asking me about the braid out that I had in that video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful, effortless braid out. So as you all know, before I wash my hair, I usually like to do a quick treatment. So whether it's avocado, rice water, aloe vera, whatever it is, I like to treat my hair before I wash it. Okay, so usually before I do my braid out, as I said, I like to do a treatment. And you guys know that my favorite treatment is aloe vera. So I cut up my aloe vera, I peel it, I strain it, and then I apply it to my hair. Wait for 30 minutes to an hour and then wash it out. But the trick is, whenever I wash my hair, I never wash it open. And if you follow me for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So before I wash my hair, I either twist it or braid it. But if you want the braid out look, the best thing to do is, you guessed it, braid your hair. So in this case, I braided it into 4 big braids and I washed it as is. Alright, so after washing, conditioning, and treating my hair with some oils, I let it stay overnight. Sometimes I'll let it go a few days, but usually it's an overnight thing. Alright, so I keep the braids in overnight. But again, if you want to keep it in for a week, you can do that. So anyway, after keeping my braids in for a few days, now I'm going to go ahead and take the braids out. Alright, so this is what my braid looks like. As you can see, it's dry. It's nice and it's ready to be taken out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my aloe vera oil. This is my baby. I'm going to use an Afro-Peg comb and a rat tail comb. I'm also going to use this scrunchie to get the rest of the hair out of the way. Alright, so let's get started here. So all I'm doing is I'm going to put 3 of the braids up and then I'm going to start with taking out the first one. And y'all know also that whenever I take my braids out, I either wet it or apply oil. So in this case, I'm going to be applying oil to my fingers and rubbing it onto my hair just to make it a little soft and easy to take out. And then I'm going to use my rat tail comb to take the braids out. Alright, so once the first braid is out, I'm going to use my Afro-Peg comb to comb it out. This is done gently. First, you want to kind of like finger comb it and then use the Afro-Peg comb to comb it just to tease it out. You don't want to completely comb out the curls. Alright, so just tease it and let it go and move on to the next braid. Alright, so here you have it. All the braids are out. And as you can see, it looks nice and full, but I'm going to go ahead and tease it a little bit more. This is what the back looks like. I'm going to grab my oil, apply my oil to my scalp and to the ends of my hair just to give it a little bit of shine, and then I'm going to massage it in. Alright, so I ended up going upstairs where there's better lighting to show you guys exactly what I have working with here. So yes, this is what the hair looks like. Again, it's nice, it's full, it's not dry, it has beautiful like curls in it, and it just looks nice and natural. This you can honestly wear for a few days and then you can turn it into a ponytail. You can turn it into 2 big braids, because what it does is not only does it give you the braid out look for a few days, it also stretches your hair out so it doesn't have the super like kinky natural hair look, just in case you wanted to wear your hair in a different style. So the way to maintain this is to braid it back up as you see me do here. Braid it back up. Apply some oil to your scalp, massage it in, grab your bonnet, put it on, sleep in it, and then wake up the next day or a few days later, Repeat the same process by using your oil, taking the braid out, teasing it with your Afro pick comb, and then styling it as you wish. All right, family, so this is how I get this look. I know I get this question all the time, so I just wanted to make a specific video to show you guys how I do it. Alright family, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And also, please join the family. If you haven't already joined this family, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and join the family so you can catch all my videos and all the updates and everything else that's coming up. Alright? Also follow me on TikTok, guys. I am on TikTok, all right? So thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.